Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows screen is too big. First you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, tap on Display option. Select your display if you need to change the screen size. Scroll down, come to Scale and Layout section. In the Scale section, make sure to select the recommended 100% version. If you select the 125, you have to select it as a 100%. And also display resolution, keep the recommended one. If you're using other version, please switch it to recommended version. Once it is done, you can close this one. Again go to Start menu, go to Setting, left side menu, go to Accessibility, tap on Magnify option. Make sure to turn it off like this if it is turned on. So close this one. Again right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, double tap on Display Adapters, right click on your driver, tap on Update Driver. Tap on Search automatically for drivers. If it says already installed, go back again, tap on Browse my computer for drivers, tap on Let me pick from a list. Select your driver, tap on Next. This will reinstall the same driver. It will fix the current driver issues. Close this one. So these are the methods you can try to fix the issue that is Windows screen too big. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.